So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list of all the hidden named ranges in the workbook. We've got 3 in this workbook, each with their own values and that text string. And you can see here that none of them are actually visible. So we'll go ahead and we will create our sub. And we will begin with creating our variables. We're going to create a new workbook to export the list of range names to. So we are going to set these variables now. Workbook dot add, and we will name the sheet within the new workbook that we want to create the list. So we'll just set it to sheet 1. And at the top of our new sheet, we're just going to put a header at that. So we'll just put it in cell A1.value will be range name. And we'll just make that font as bold. Okay, so now for grabbing all the named ranges that are hidden, we're just going to loop through them all that are in this workbook. So for each range name in this workbook dot names, if the range name is visible, or sorry, is not visible, then we want to get the last row of the new worksheet that we've just created. So we'll put in a formula for finding the last row. And we are going to put the name of that range name into the last row plus 1. And that should be it. That should be all that we need to get that done. And we'll just put a message box at the end of our subroutine to say that it's all finished. We'll run the sub, and just a typo here. And oh, another typo there just with the the variable new worksheet. We'll just change that. So new WS. That looks okay now. We'll run the. We'll just delete this. This is the new workbook that I created, but we will go back and run this subroutine again. And that's it. So it's created a list of all the named ranges in that workbook. And you can see from this one here, it's got sheet 1 because that is a worksheet named range. The other ones are workbook level named ranges. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe.